We have a budget AIO from Pccooler. This is the GI-CL120VC. I bought this at Shopee for 1,308 pesos using vouchers /99 sale. Normally this would be priced at around 1,600 pesos. But that's the beauty of the sale, guys. Pccooler is a Chinese company that makes, well, coolers. So out of the box, we have this RGB LED fan. Specs as follows. For the airflow, it has a maximum of 65.4 and 30.8 dBA for maximum noise levels. Then we have the quick installation guide and warranty card. The guide is both in English and Chinese language. This is the radiator and the pump. Dimensions as follows. For the full spec sheet, you can visit the Pccooler website. Lastly, we have this pouch of various hardware which contains the following. I will be installing this on my AIO system, so just follow along. Sa binayadan ko na 1,300 pesos para sa cooler na ito, I can say that I am getting my money's worth. Versus the Wraith Spire Cooler, my system used to average 85 degrees with the same parameters. With this AIO, bumaba yung temperatures ko ng about 20 degrees. which is very outstanding in my opinion. I can guarantee that this can cool your Ryzen 5s or even your Ryzen 7s. Since yung results na nakuha ko with my 95 watt processor is quite nice. Sa design wala din akong masabi, maganda sa mata yung kulay ng RGB and napakalinis ng quality ng AIO. The only downside na nakita ko is itong RGB lights. Kung gusto mo nang naisisync, then you would have to replace this. That's it for this review. See you guys on the next one. Peace!